Welcome. Today we embark on a journey to find your inner peace. This guided meditation is designed to help you release stress, relax your mind, and reconnect with yourself. Start by making yourself as comfortable as possible. Find a position where you can relax completely. Now, gently close your eyes, letting them close softly like a whisper. Feel the gentle weight of relaxation as your eyelids meet. Allow yourself to treat this time as a gift, a moment just for you. Begin by tuning into your breath and body, welcoming yourself to this sacred moment. Acknowledge the beauty of being present, a unique treasure meant for you today. Feel this awareness spreading gently throughout your body, like the warmth of a gentle sunbeam. As you become more attuned to your breath and body, feel free to give yourself a comforting embrace, a hug from within, and now invite all your muscles to release, to soften, to let go. Explore how you can breathe in a way that feels perfect for you in this moment. Each breath is unique, each breath is yours. Discover what breathing pattern feels best for you, right now in this very moment. This may change from one breath to the next, and that is perfectly okay. Allow yourself the freedom to breathe naturally, without effort. Encourage your muscles to relax even more deeply now. Feel the weight of your body being supported by the earth below. Embrace this sensation of letting go. There is no right or wrong way to relax right now. Simply allow yourself to release, to unwind, and to let go of any tension. Each breath guides you deeper into relaxation. Enter into a state of being, an awareness of simply existing in this present moment. Here, there is nothing to do, no judgments to make, and absolutely nothing to prove. Right here, right now, you are free to simply be. As you relax more deeply, imagine yourself being transported to a beautiful, magical forest. Allow your imagination to show you this place of serenity and wonder. Is it a place you've visited before or something entirely new? Let yourself fully experience how it feels to be in this magical forest. Feel the gentle rustle of leaves, the soft earth beneath your feet, and the fresh, crisp air filling your lungs. Notice the sounds around you, the melodies of nature inviting you deeper into relaxation. Ahead, you notice a warm, inviting spot bathed in gentle sunlight calling to you. Perhaps it's a patch of soft grass or a cozy, sunlit clearing. Trust what your imagination reveals. Allow yourself to walk over to this space and settle down comfortably. Feel the sun's warm rays caressing your face, neck, and shoulders. The warmth spreads across your chest and down to your arms and hands. Let it envelop your belly, hips, legs, and feet. Your entire being receives this nurturing warmth, feeling loved and embraced. As you rest here, immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of this magical forest. Feel this connection to nature, to the world around you and within you. Instead of analyzing or thinking, simply allow yourself to feel through your inner being. Experience the blissful sensations moving through your body like waves of gentle light. Feel them washing over you, leaving only a sensation of pure, beautiful light within. I will leave you for a few moments to bask in this tranquility. Remember, even in silence, you are never alone. You are surrounded by your own divine presence, a radiant being of light and love. Cherish these next few breaths, this precious moment of peace. Allow yourself to enjoy this stillness, this profound connection with your inner self. Embrace the lightness and serenity within you, and begin to feel a gentle lightness spreading through your body. Connect with the deep sense of peace that resides within you. Let your awareness rest in this serene space, this home of inner calm. Feel a quiet, gentle appreciation for this moment, for this journey. Stay here for as long as you wish, basking in this peaceful sanctuary. When you are ready to return, do so slowly, listening to your body's cues. Allow the transition back to be gradual, letting it unfold at your own pace. Open your eyes only when you feel completely ready, carrying this peace with you. Welcome back to the present moment, refreshed and renewed. Thank you for joining this journey to find your inner peace. Remember, this sense of calm is always within you, just a breath away. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. Until next time, may you be well, peaceful, and at ease.